So this is just some goofy stuff, but these print in place. I dropped this dragon. I dropped the dragon and knocked him off the table and broke his paw. It's supposed to be like that. So anyways, I just printed these for the kids. And all these have been printed on that Sunlu printer. This one right here. I'm using a different sheet on it, but anyway, this one. So, this thing is giving me the least amount of trouble. This one sticks pretty good on this bed. You can't really tell as far as this one goes how well it works. I found some nasty stuff up underneath the backside where these connectors are. I might even be able to count on it. They're one of them's melted. I don't know if you guys seen that, but there's a board in here. This ribbon cable goes in here and it breaks out, and it goes to the various different places. And I found all kinds of PLA up in there. I could smell it. Now I don't print with PLA, so I'm like, why do I keep smelling PLA? This thing's weird. It's got something right here. I don't know what it would be, but it goes to something. Then you got these ones here. The red one's a fan. Let's see, we got one of the wires here is for the sensor, the inductive sensor. And if you look at this, you can see that thing looks like it's slid in there. So it's very possible for that thing to be out of alignment, in which case I believe the printer would do weird stuff.